Hi, I'm going to show you a different way to embed a Picasa slideshow. There are many different ways, but the one we were using is not working. So let's try a different one. So I built this Picasa web album. So it is a web, everything comes out of Picasa web album. So that's the first thing. So I have this prepared, a web album prepared already. And you'll notice I'm not working in the application. I have downloaded it, but I'm working directly on the Picasa website and I have logged in. That means I'm logged into my Google account. It also logs me into my YouTube account, my Gmail account. I have access to my web page. So once I'm already logged in to everything, I don't really need to work in the Picasa application on my desktop. Some people like to do that. It's up to you. This can all be done by you and your students online in a simple web browser. So I've got my web album, and you'll notice I can actually see it as a slideshow. So I can have a look at what it looks like by clicking Slideshow and go through and see, okay, that's okay, good, good, okay, fine. Okay, back in my web album. Now, I want this web album to end up being a slideshow over on my website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going over to the right side and I'm going to click on link this album. Okay. Now I have several choices and I can do a number of things, but I'm going to try this embed slideshow down here. Just another way. Then I get a window that opens and it shows my slideshow. I can even look at it here. Okay. I can choose the size here, or I can wait till I get to my website. I can choose autoplay or not, having the user click it. Then I want to go down and I want to get the embed code. So it says copy and paste this into your website. So I'm going to go here and select everything. Make sure I have it all. Okay, copy. And then I'm going to jump back over to my website. I have a web page created, Embed a Picasa slideshow. I'm going to click edit. And I'm going to make sure my cursor's inside where I want my slideshow to go. Okay. Then you'll notice up here a little tiny bit of text that says HTML. Let me make it bigger. So, too big. Okay, so right here, I want to click here. And then I want to go in and just paste the embed code right there. And I'm just putting it right wherever when I put it in. So then I'm going to say update. And there I see that it's called a gadget, anything that comes in as an object. And there I can see something has come in, but is it working? So I'm going to go ahead and save it. Save. There it is. Takes a minute to come down. But now I have embedded my slideshow. So it comes from a web album on Picasa, but it gets turned into a slideshow when you view the web album in Picasa, or it turns into a slideshow when you import it into your website and embed it as a slideshow. So now you have an embedded Picasa slideshow in your ePortfolio.